Yeah, we'll run back to assist you. If you have small children with you, what the hell were you thinking? Seriously, it's not a place for little kids. So you then feel proceeded towards the center of the road away from the outside gates, and now we're taking you in to, wow, that loudest noise is annoying. Hi? What?
All of you are here tonight for one reason.
No, I don't like games.
You want to be scared. You want to know the thrill of being close to death without ever having to confront it face to face. This is why you watch horror movies, to experience death at a safe distance. Well, tonight, all of that is about to change. When this vehicle stops, the doors will open, and you will get out and walk through a series of tests. Tests inspired by the very horror movies that you are so obsessed with. Have you ever asked yourself why you watch horror movies? Then let me ask you. For you and your friends, horror movies are an act of rebellion. You're drawn to anything that your parents object to. But do your parents know about your other hobbies? The acts of vandalism that you've committed. You'll do anything to leave your mark. But now you are the one who is marked. Tag. You're it. And you, Sherry Matthews. You say that horror movies give you a rush of adrenaline. But adrenaline is not the only thing. Coursing through your veins is a cherry. Do your friends know about your secret addictions? Do they know about the things that you have stolen from them to feed those addictions? And what of you, Charles Roebuck? You say horror movies are just an escape. But what are you running from? Could it be the alcoholism that is growing in your life? Even now, do you feel the weight of that bottle you've got hidden away in your jacket? The one you snuck past security. The day of reckoning has arrived for all of you. But to survive this test, you are going to need help. You see, this is a group test. And to succeed, you must survive it together. The game is about to begin. When your selfish individual needs trump the safety and well-being of the group, remember, stay together, for even if one of you doesn't make it to the other side, you will all pay the ultimate price.
That sounds like you guys have a test to take. Yay!
I'm gonna record it now. You're recording for you.
Test. All you have to do is stay together. So everybody stick together and make sure, you know. And then you're all in.
They play it out.
I know. Or not. I love it.
Alright, I'm gonna put on my earphones now. Time to bump some loud ass. You're recording. Put it around your wrist. Put it around your wrist. Oh shit! Keep up! Let's run! Let's run! You can't see shit, dude. Oh my god! You hear the screams. You can't see shit at all. Come on, put a thing right here. Let's pack. Stay together. Oh, watch out right here, watch out! Oh, shit. My grandma! What's my Oh, fuck, that was crazy. It's intense, it's intense.
They have a little midget playing Chucky.
Yeah, we saw Micheal.
Oh shit, that Micheal Myres?
Oh shit. Alright, the cops are gonna stop me in a little bit. Oh fuck. It's Thriller. It's Michael Jackson.
Come on, man. You just gonna fuck up me like that. Don't be like the guy.
On a record of it.
The cops. Oh, watch out. Oh, my bad. The cops.
Dude, is this shit on Zoom in?
Is it? Bring it out.
Why did you bring it up?
Oh yeah, bring it all the way out.
How'd I bring it up?
Just the T.
Alright.
You got it?
Yeah, no shit, I wasn't recording everything, bro. Oh shit, my nigga.
It's Joe.
There, now I can record everything, bro.
Yeah, it's better?
Yeah.
See me?
Oh shit, my nigga. Watch out for the fucking woods, yo.
I know, man. We're in the bushes. Scary.
Oh shit, you heard that?
What?
Like,
Oh shit, fool, watch out. Run, run. Watch out, for at the end there's a fool pops out. I know for sure.
look at that, yo. Oh shit, my nigga.
Oh my! Oh! What the fuck? Oh! Fuck!
That shit got me scared.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh! Grandma.
Right, move. I saw that guy walk.
Stay with him.
Alone. Can't see shit, dude.
Hey, I see you. Stop squirting me with your shit. Oh!
Oh shit, my nigga. I didn't see him, bro.
That scared you, that one? Oh!
Oh! Fuck, I didn't even see her, yo. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck! Where are you guys coming at? Oh, man, you scared me.
What the fuck, yo? Oh shit, dude.
Run, you gotta run! Run, run, run!
Oh shit, Michael, yo.
Stay there, stay there.
Hell no, everything me in the back.
Uh-oh, what's that? What's going
Playing
on?
the drums.
Oh shit, my nigga.
They playing the drums. They playing the drums.
I dropped the camera, dude.
Oh, yeah. He dropped the camera.
I knew he was there and I still dropped it. There's a guy
I see you behind that gate. What's up?
Get the fuck out of there.
Oh, fuck, watch out!
What the fuck?
Oh, watch out!
Oh shit.